Lesson 56, Algebra 1/2, Equations with Mixed Numbers. Now mixed numbers are whole numbers and fractions put together, so these are not very hard. It's difficult to work with mixed numbers, so what we want to do is change them to fractions. They're called improper fractions because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So anyway, what you do is you go 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and you put it over the same denominator. So 2 1/3 equals 7/3, m equals 5. Now when you're solving for an equation, you want to get m all by itself. Over here, m all by itself, that's our goal. We have a 7/3 with it. Well, the neat way to get rid of a fraction is to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, because a number and its reciprocal, when multiplied together, equals 1, and 1 times m is just m. So we have 7/3 m, so the reciprocal is the one with the m. That's what we want to get rid of. So I multiply both sides by 3/7. See that? 5 times 3/7. And that leaves me with just m. And here, I could do 5 over 1, and then I just multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, 15 over 7. So the answer is m equals 15/7. Or you could write it as a mixed number. Divide 7 into 15. It goes twice. You have a remainder of 1/7. 15/7 equals 2 1/7. The second example is solve 3 1/2 k equals 4 1/5. We change them each to improper fractions. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7/2, 7 over 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21, 21 over 5. Now our goal is to get k all by itself, so we have to get rid of the 7/2. So we multiply by the reciprocal, the number flipped over, 2/7. We see that 2/7 times 7/2 is 1. 1k is just k, which is beautiful. So 21/5, and we have to multiply that by 2/7. Now this, to multiply, you can actually cancel. 7 goes in once, 7 goes in 3 times. You get the k all by itself, and then you multiply top times top and bottom times bottom. So the answer is k equals 6/5, or you can go 5 goes into 6, 1, remainder 1, 1 1/6. Any questions, text me.